Hello everyone, today's video is about the artificial intelligence in health sector. Watch till end.
In a hand transplant, the surgeon first connects the radius and ulna bones with plates and screws, and then attaches the arteries and veins using microvascular surgical techniques. After blood begins flowing through your arm, your surgeon individually repairs each muscle and fixes tendon to tendon and tendon to muscle junctions. After fixing the muscles on the back of your hand, your surgeon fixes muscles and nerves in your palm and carefully insets your skin. When possible, your surgeon repairs your median, ulnar, and radial nerves. Following repair at the level of the forearm, some finger motion may be possible immediately after surgery.
Thanks for watching. Share, like, comment, and subscribe.